This sun bear is house hunting. She needs a new place to sleep every night. Hundreds of them, each able to eat 6 times its body weight in blood. Sun bears' claws can grow twice as large as a grizzly's, so they can shimmy up a tree in no time, to a dizzying 130 feet. But trees are not designed for sleepy bears. Not comfy, still awake. Oh, enough is enough. She chooses the perfect location, somewhere sheltered, with a handy fork in its branches to build on. And she does something rarely seen in the animal kingdom. She begins to weave, carefully tensioning each branch and weighing them down into position. And for a spot of luxury, she tops it with fresh leaves. Like many dwellings in nature, hers is temporary, but it provides comfort and safety, just like all the best places to live.